Hello and welcome back to Can Performance. In this video we have something very special for you guys. We have an Audi R8 V10 RWS, one of 999. This car is in for a full body carbon conversion, including front splitter, rear diffuser, canards and a few other little bits. I'm going to show you guys the kit that we are dealing with. This entire kit is provided to us by CT Carbon and the kit is very nice. So let me show you guys how the kit looks, and then we'll move on to putting this kit on the car and making this car hella aggressive. It's going to completely change this car altogether. So let's not waste any time and let's go.
Hey, stop it, man.
What's going on, lads? Are you going to help us?
I'm going to report the video.
Report the video. Report the video.
Yeah. What?
Oh, look at those. Oh, shit. Right, lads. Now we get to the Gucci part, which is...
Is that just going to fall off?
You wish it falls off, mate. The amount of screws are there. Huh?
Dad, you're replacing this.
Yeah, but we go transfer all the metal brackets, everything to the other one.
Bloody cool.
Right. Are we ready? Right, come on.
You know how you watch Monsters Inc. isn't it?
That's what I do like.
Yo, come hold this side.
If I had money like that, I'd probably buy it.
But hold that corner.
Monster from Monsters Inc. The one with the one eye.
Yeah.
Dun, dun.
You got it, bro. You didn't need that help.
Yeah! Now what we'll do is... sorry, you can leave it. Let go. Let go, spinner.
Stand up if you are loving.
Where you want.
Small.
Huh?
Hand model.
Hold.
Oh, you said it. You just hold. I didn't say you put pressure, huh?
Yeah, but hold means
I'm holding.
it stays in that place. It doesn't go for a walk.
Huh? You can hold something and move with it. Can you not?
No.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't. Yeah, lad. That goes in. That's not a problem, that part.
Now?
So
Yeah,
it's
let go.
designed for this, right?
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, you know, this part, That's different.
I think just make the holes in over there.
Yeah. Over here, also we need to make a hole here. Transfer the clip across here so we can secure that part there then. Looking at fitment here. Yeah, looks nice.
Very nice.
Probably generic, isn't it? That's right. For all our rigs. That's why they leave
No, it's carbon in it, so it's not like plastic mold thing, so.
leave it. Oh, they leave it.
So that's like that, so we have to drill through there. Do use one of the clip, but my main concern is, you know, the holes and stuff around here.
Can we just transfer them all over?
Yeah, but if you look at that one,
But that's what it's meant to do.
yeah. Mr. Brian.
Fucking on 10.
On like in the middle of the audio.
You know that's recorded, all the sound and everything's recorded. Don't worry, you're gonna be on Facebook anyway.
Diamond earrings.
I've seen for hair and wavy donkey.
Oh yeah, what's he saying?
I've been swimming too much today.
That's the one. I like that.
Sweet. For this side. You sure? She ain't going nowhere. Yeah, that's the no, not this one, but this one. Another one like that. So it.
People say I'm not gonna change, not gonna change. I know that you like that, you know where my mind's at. Can't be tamed, I'm not gonna play, not gonna play. I know I ain't like that, fucking I'm a wildcat. Baby, break my heart, give it all you got. Don't ask why, don't be shy, shy, shy. Is it love or lust? I can't get enough. Don't ask why, don't be shy, shy, shy. La 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 People say I'm not gonna change, not gonna change. I know that you like that, you know where my mind's at. Can't be tamed, I'm not gonna play, not gonna play. I know I ain't like that, fucking I'm a wildcat. Baby, break my heart, give it all you got. Don't ask why, don't be shy, shy, shy. Is it love or lust?
Right guys, so we have finally replaced the rear diffuser and it took the entire day. It's not as easy of a job. There's a lot of screws and a lot of hard work that goes into it. But nonetheless, we have got that sorted. And the next part to put on is the front canards. The front splitter is going to be a separate video as we haven't got enough time for that today. But we're going to end today's video with the front canards. We're going to chuck these on. These are pretty straightforward. And then show you guys how this rear diffuser and the front carbon canards look on this car. And then the next video you can get to see how the front splitter looks. But without wasting any time, let's go and put these canards on. So that's gonna go on like that. And is it recording? think about 4 fingers would look really nice at the same angle, kind of. Do you think? Is that how mine's are? Mine are. Right, so we finally managed to finish the car. As you guys saw, the car looks absolutely incredible. Just a small mod makes a huge difference to the overall look of the car. So I wonder what's going to happen in the next video when we put the front splitter on. If you guys want to see that, make sure you have subscribed to Can Performance, clicked on the bell icon so you guys don't miss when that video comes out. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and we will see you on the next one.